Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious creamy tomato basil soup. For this recipe, we will be needing carrots, celery, white onion, crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, basil, heavy whipped cream, salt and pepper to taste. Let's get started. First thing first, we'll start by chopping 1 cup of white onion, 1 cup of carrots, and 1 cup of celery. Next, let's oil our pot and let it get nice and hot. Add your carrots, celery, and onion. Cover your mixture and let it saute until soft. Grab your can of crushed tomato and use a can opener to open. I like to use Cento all-purpose crushed tomato. Open your tomato paste using the can opener as well. Now let's check on our pot. Mix your vegetable and make sure they are soft. Add the crushed tomato and tomato paste in the mixture. Mix it well and then add 2 cups of water. Move over to your cutting board and pick about 1 cup of basil leaf. Bunch your leaf together and roughly chop. Add your basil into your pot, mix it well and allow it to simmer. In a separate pot, add 2 cups of heavy whipped cream and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat. Once your heavy cream has reduced, slowly drizzle into your tomato mix. After a few minutes, your soup is ready to take off the stove. Using a ladle, scoop your soup into your blender and blend it on low until smooth. Now we're ready to plate. Pour a serving of soup into a bowl of your choice. Garnish with basil and serve with toasted sliced French bread. This dish is perfect as an appetizer, lunch or dinner meal. And there is our finished product. Look at that beautiful color. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.